In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Webflow with Shopify. What you need to do for this, you want to have your Webflow website and Shopify store open on the same page on the same browser. And you want to go to the link in the description or search for Zapier yourself in your browser, and this brings over to Zapier. And once you sign up for an account, we can use this tool. So this is basically a website where we can integrate different platforms with each other. So we can integrate Webflow with Shopify. So we can create a new Zap, and what we can create with this, we can set a trigger on Webflow, and then we can set an action on Shopify. So when something happens on Webflow, something else is going to happen automatically on Shopify. So let's say we want to use Webflow right here. Choose an event. So when a new order is placed on Webflow, just like that, we can continue, and let me actually show you what we can set up with action right now. We can type in Shopify. So when an order is placed on Webflow, we can select an event right here. So we can update a product, for example. We can create a blog entry. We can find a product by title. We can create a new customer on this site. So if you want to make it automatically, when someone creates an account right here and then orders something, they will automatically have an account on Shopify. For example, you can also do it with a product orders, basically anything right here on Zap here. So we can choose our account. I'll already have linked my Shopify account. If you have not, just hit connect, new account, and sign up with Shopify. It's really easy. Then you can hit continue, and what we can do then, we can basically fill in all the information, and this is basically your personal preference like marketing, tax, exam, all this stuff, and then we can set the Zapier up. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and see you next time.